Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really handy little component for anyone working with microcontrollers, specifically the Jesony 3PCS1 by 4 matrix membrane switch keypad. This isn't a full-blown keyboard, obviously, but a compact, simple input device designed to add a few buttons to your electronic projects. You get a pack of 3 of these, which is great for having spares or using them in multiple builds. Physically, these keypads are quite small, measuring just 68.9 by 10.7 millimeters. They feature a membrane design, which means they are thin and flexible, making them easy to integrate into various enclosures or project layouts. As the name suggests, it's a 1x4 matrix, giving you 4 individual keys. One interesting point is that these keypads come with no words printed on the keys, which is actually a plus for makers. It allows you to add your own custom labels depending on what function you assign to each button in your project. Looking at the technical specifications, these are designed for low-power applications, perfect for microcontrollers like the Arduino. The circuit level is rated at 35 VDC, 100 milliamperes, and 1 W, well within the capabilities of typical GPIO pins. The circuit itself uses PET silver paste printing, which is standard for these types of membrane switches. Contact resistance is in the 10 to 500 ohm range, varying slightly based on lead length and material, and the insulation impedance is a solid 100 megaohms at 100 V. It can also withstand a dielectric voltage of 250 VRMS. When you press a key, the contact jitter time is minimal, less than 5 milliseconds, ensuring clean input signals for your microcontroller. The operating pressure for the metal shrapnel type is between 220 and 350 grams, giving a tactile feel when pressed, and the switch stroke is about 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters. These specs indicate a reliable and responsive button press for simple inputs. The storage conditions are specified between 15 to 35 degrees Celsius with 70 to 90% humidity, and they are tested to perform well in temperatures from 0 to 60 degrees Celsius. They also have decent vibration resistance, rated at 20 Gs. The line thickness is quite thin, less than 0.13 millimeters, contributing to the keypad's overall flexibility. The service life is described as film butt, which refers to the contact mechanism type. Now, the description mentions compatible devices PC and connectivity technology USB-A. It's important to clarify that this raw keypad itself does not have a USB port and doesn't directly plug into a PC like a standard keyboard. These keypads have simple pin headers. The PC compatibility and USB-A connectivity likely refer to the system you would build using this keypad connected to a microcontroller, like an Arduino or Raspberry Pi Pico, which then acts as a USB human interface device, HID, to communicate with a PC. So, while you can use it to control a PC, it requires additional electronics to do so. Its primary and most straightforward use is as an extended keyboard or control panel directly connected to a microcontroller for embedded projects. Recommended uses are listed as personal, which perfectly aligns with its nature as a component for DIY electronics, hobbyist projects, and educational purposes. Whether you're building a simple password entry system, a menu navigation interface for an LCD screen, or a basic control panel for a robot, these 1x4 keypads offer a straightforward and inexpensive way to add user input. Getting 3 in a pack is a definite bonus for the price. Overall, for anyone needing a few simple, customizable buttons for their microcontroller projects, these Jesony 1x4 membrane keypads are a solid and practical choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.